Bingo.
Right, now I actually knew that was the second pilot plane we've just now seen. Obviously this time, this is not a Piper one I've just seen that time. Obviously this time, it was Ikarus C-42 Piston, that was the second pilot plane we've just now seen. But this time it's an Ikarus C-42, that was, apparently. So yeah, luckily, good job this is not a Pampor Flying Club one as we just saw coming only one this morning, but obviously this is now Ikarus C-42 Piston, that is. And maybe you can see the rate is G-CLYA, that is. That's the second pilot plane we've just now seen. Okay, so for that one he took off. Okay, so just took off at that same spot when the Piper FB80 we just already won. But as you can see, took off at the same spot as the same space as the Piper. Again, he took off at Pampor Airfield, as he took off at 10:52 AM in the morning. So that's the same one. And from here, he worked just over all the way to Portmeirion. So yeah, I think this is where it's just worked from, apparently. It's worked all the way from Portmeirion. This is where it started from anyway, all the way to Portmeirion. And then from here, look, as we just saw from the distance, he was about 22,000 feet and then dropped to 21,000 feet as we just saw dropping anyway. So that was just the Ikarus C-42 just in that time. So yeah, but now that's the second pilot plane we've just now seen, which that was the Ikarus C-42. Also that took off at Pampor. But I have to admit, there's so many planes that seem to be coming from Pampor today. I don't know why though. I don't know why there seems to be so many planes coming from Pampor Airfield today. But even there, we've not even yet seen the ones from G-CLYA Airport yet though. Honestly, we've not even yet seen the ones at G-CLYA Airport yet. God. Hopefully we might be able to see the ones at G-CLYA Airport this afternoon, hopefully. May do, I don't know yet. But anyway. So yep, that was Ikarus C-42 we've just seen. So yes, thanks for watching, bye bye.